Today, you will create an introduction slide that includes interesting facts about the travel destination and climate. You are going to type the information in an interesting way. Notice in the example, it gives you an interesting title, such as Escape to Niagara Falls, some interesting facts, a picture, and information about the climate. You will have to have completed your research on your travel destination in order to complete this slide. The first thing you're going to do is open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can open Microsoft PowerPoint by double-clicking on the program shortcut if you see it, or by clicking on your Start menu, clicking All Programs, scrolling down until you see Microsoft Office, clicking on that, then clicking on PowerPoint. You should always open the instructions for each assignment in its PDF format on your computer, or get the binder that's between the computers and use that to help you answer the question or to complete your assignment. So next, follow the steps as you see them on your PDF document. Click the File tab and choose Open. File, Open. Go to your student folder and select Travel. Click Open. Now we know that you will have to click Desktop, then double-click your folder with your name on it, double-click your travel folder, then you should have a PowerPoint that's named Travel and your name, which you will double-click to open. Now you are going to move to Slide 2. There are two ways for you to move to Slide 2. You can push Page down on your keyboard, or you can just click on Slide 2. We are going to change the title on the introduction slide. You may want to change the title here. This is what viewers are going to see that's going to make it interesting. So, triple click inside the title placeholder. Now you are going to type either change the title to Escape to whatever your city name is, Have Fun in Paradise, or Discover the Adventure. Since my destination is Hawaii, I'm going to type Have Fun in Paradise. Notice this is on page 31 of your instructions. Now, the layout of the slide is set to title and content. You may want to use a different layout. For example, you may want to write interesting facts in one text box and the climate information in another text box. From the gallery, click To Content. So you're going to go up here and click Layout. Then you're going to click To Content. You are going to now have to add some interesting facts to both sides of your PowerPoint slide. This is the information that you're going to get from your research facts sheet that you already did. So you will have to open your research facts by clicking on the Windows Explorer button, then clicking Desktop, then double-clicking your folder, then double-clicking your travel folder. You should have multiple pictures, documents inside of your travel folder. Then you should have a Word document that's the name of the place that you will be researching along with your name. So double-click on your research document. Here is your research document. Now remember, you are not going to just copy and paste this information. You are going to use this information, but you are going to put it in your own words. go back to your PowerPoint. Click inside the text box to type your information. You're going to want to use descriptive words that make your destination seem wonderful. So you have your title. Mine is Have Fun in Paradise. You can have Escape to Honolulu. You could have the other option, which was also Discover the Adventure. Then you're going to, according to the PDF, type a fact and information on the climate. Here is where it gives you those descriptive words that sound great, like marvelous, breathtaking, fabulous, amazing, stunning, beautiful, gorgeous, spectacular, and remarkable. So, on your PowerPoint, you are going to use the information, and you may go back and forth. You may shrink this if you would like, so that you have it to look at and say, these are some interesting things that I now know about Hawaii, or your destination as the case may be. So under interesting facts, you can see that it says, from the Hawaiian monarchy to the attack on Pearl Harbor, an exploration of Oahu's history reflects the key influences that have impacted Hawaii. Read all your information and then type it into your own words. Then go to your climate information, and again, read the information, then type it into your own words. So here you will put facts about Hawaii. Let's see, Oahu. Honolulu is the largest Then notice how I tabbed here to start my other information. So I would add some information here. Remember, you're not typing exactly the words that I have. You're putting this in your own words. Because if you don't put it in your own words, then you are plagiarizing. Once you have done that, you are now going to insert a picture. You should have already found all your pictures. So we are going to add a picture to the slide. You are going to use the skills you've learned in previous assignments to format your appearance. You can still recolor, apply a style, change the shape, customize the border, add an effect, adjust an object, order a line, or rotate the picture in any way you want. However, be careful not to spend too much time doing one thing. So we're going to follow these instructions. Click the Insert tab on your PowerPoint, find the Images group, and choose Picture. Insert. Here's our Images group. Click Picture. Now here's where you have to go to Desktop, double-click your folder, then double-click your travel folder. Now I have many pictures here that I might like to use, and I can select this picture at any time. Now, once I've inserted my picture, I can click on the picture and drag it down. I can resize it to make it larger. and then click and drag. I can use my little circle here to adjust how it looks on the page. Remember that when you are changing the size of a picture, only adjust your picture size from the corners only. You also want to be careful not to make your picture so large that it distorts your image, makes it blurry. That's not the point. Now, double click on your picture. It will open your Picture Tools Format tab, and we're going to use this to edit our picture. Remember that we can change the color to give it sort of a more interesting depth if you wanted to, or contrast. You can pick one of the borders, preset borders over here. We can change our picture effects just like we did earlier with the picture that we used for our logo. We can add the shadows. We can change our alignment on the picture. We can rotate and flip the picture. So make sure you've used your checklist on your PDF document to make sure that your slide looks exactly how you want it to. Does the title sound interesting? Does the slide have 2 facts about the travel destination? Does the slide look attractive, or is it garish or uncomfortable to look at? Are the facts worded to make the information sound interesting and in your own words, not plagiarized? Does the slide have information about the climate? Is the information about the climate helpful to tourists? Does the slide have a picture of the destination? Has the picture been formatted to look great? If you have time to add a picture to the title slide, you may do so, but don't spend too much time on any one assignment. Make sure you click Save in your Quick Access toolbar, and then you will click on the File tab and click Exit. This will close your PowerPoint, and you then go to Canvas to submit your assignment.